Okay, here's a great example of a knobby from Lightning Ridge and Nobby Opal. It's still encased in some of the clay. It's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. Semi-crystal this piece. Nice bar of colour goes there. It's a bit of a hollow here. I think this stone should cut quite easily. Fairly straightforward, I think. Of course I can't guarantee, I can't see what's inside, how far that little piece there goes. At least luckily it's on the end. Nice bright crystal. Should be an easier one to cut. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.